my superb students, welcome to Miss Tyson's class, and I'm your teacher, Miss Tyson. Class promises to be interesting, so stay tuned. And today's quote says, I am a star. I want you to repeat that with me. 1, 2, 3. I am a star. You are. You sneaked into the kitchen after your father just cooked dinner and decided to take a piece of fried chicken. You were so hungry that you quickly removed the cover from the pot. Then boom! The steam evaporating from the pot burnt you. Without any hesitation, you dropped the pot cover. You're shaken up, but thankful that your father did not catch you. How did you respond so quickly? This is because of coordination. So what is coordination? Now, before I define coordination, there are 4 key terms that I'm going to define. And those key terms are stimuli, receptor, effector, and response. Again, stimuli, receptor, effector, and response. Now, stimuli are changes or things in the environment which causes us to respond in some way. So examples include light, sound, heat, or temperature. Now, stimuli is the plural, while stimulus is the singular. And I know that this is something that many persons confuse. Receptors receive or detect stimuli from the environment. So they could be the nerve endings in your hand, in your feet. It could also be your skin. As long as you do your research, you'll realize that there are many different types of receptors and they are found all over the body. Effectors now, they enable us to respond to a stimulus. So they could be your muscles, they could be a gland or an organ. An easy way to remember receptors is that receptors receive while effectors, they cause an effect on your body. Now your response will be your reaction after being in contact with the stimulus. So then, coordination is the process by which receptors receive or detect stimuli from the environment and pass the message to effectors, thereby causing us to respond in some way. Now, coordination is very important as it helps us to move around as human beings. It is also necessary for our survival as humans. And the nervous system plays a very important role in the process of coordination. So for the scenario earlier, the hot pot cover would be the stimulus. The receptors would be your skin on your hand or the nerve endings in your hand which detected the stimulus. The effector would of course be the muscles in your hand which contracted while you dropped the pot cover. Your response after being burnt would of course be your response. And how did you respond? You dropped the pot cover. So now that we know what coordination is, our next lesson will be introduction to the nervous system. So stay tuned for that class. Bye.